In this video, I'm gonna show you how to increase and decrease volume in Premiere Pro. So there are actually two ways to do it. The first way is to check around effect controls, and if you don't see effect controls, you'll need to click on this arrow over here and click on effect controls. Now you'll see the audio option. So originally the audio volume over here, now you'll see that it's green around -18. So it's best to make it reach around -3, -6, or -12. Now you'll see that it's green, so it's kind of low for us. We'll just make it a bit more high, probably like around 10 more decibels. You can turn this off as well for the toggle animation because we won't be needing an animation. Now you'll see that it's green. You see that it's -6 now, and that's it. Perfect. Now let's say you want to make it a bit more lower, like around -30. Just make this a -10 as well, or probably like go way more down around here, and then type -10, and then now you'll see that it's green. Now you'll see that it's green. That's the first way to do it. For now, we'll just set this back to normal. The second way to do it is to right click on your video and then click on audio gain. And then under audio gain, you'll see in here adjust gain by 10 decibels above and click OK. And that's it. And same thing goes with lowering the audio. Now that it's set to 10 decibels and you want to make it -10, we'll just make this -20. And you'll see here it's going to be set to -10, so click OK. And now it's set to -10.
Now you'll see that it's
So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video.